right, we have a breaking news coming in. So Sharad Pawar seems to have swung into action after the embarrassing loss in the MLC polls. He's calling his close confidant and Jitendra Awadh to take a complete report on why they lost and who all from the Congress ended up cross-voting. Obviously, viewers, it's a very worrying sign for the opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi in Maharashtra, considering that they had won 30 out of 48 seats in the Lok Sabha polls. They were hoping for a decent show this time around, but what has happened is a huge embarrassment to the MVA bloc. Sharad Pawar swinging into action. Arunil joining us with more on the same. Yes, Arunil, over to you. Sharad Pawar, as we were telling our viewers, seems to have swung into action. It's been a rather embarrassing loss when we speak of the MLC polls for the MVA, especially for the Sharad Pawar faction. Now it looks like he wants to know who all from the Congress's camp ended up cross-voted.
Well, good morning to you, Meenakshi. Clear embarrassment for the Maha Vikas Aghadi. Not only Sharad Pawar, who's been considered as one of the senior veteran mastermind politicians in, at least when it comes to Maharashtra politics. Now, his own candidate, Jayant Patil, has lost in the MLC elections. And one of the main instrumental factors in the defeat, it is slated to be the 7 Congress MLAs who have defected, who basically have cross-voted for the Mahayuti. This fear was been raised earlier by the Maha Vikas Aghadi leaders as well. But the Congress basically had shown confidence. They kept their MLAs in hotels as well. In fact, all the parties had kept their respective MLAs in hotels. However, despite that, despite a whip being issued, the Congress MLAs, 7 of them, cross-voted for the Mahayuti alliance. And what happened? Basically, 9 of all the Mahayuti had put in 9 candidates. All 9 were victorious. There were total 11 candidates, 11 seats in the fray, and 12 candidates were contesting. Sharad Pawar's candidate lost because of one of the factors is this cross-voting. In fact, there is another crucial breaking update that we would like to give to our viewers is the Congress party has also swung into action, Meenakshi.
Okay.
The Congress party has identified those 7 MLAs who have basically cross-voted. They have names of all those 7 MLAs. We cannot put out the names on our channel, but we also obviously know those 7 Congress MLAs. And a report is being sent to Delhi High Command of the Congress party. What the Maharashtra Congress basically is feeling is, what their request to Delhi High Command is, that all these 7 Congress MLAs should be disqualified because they had been issued a whip. They signed on that whip as well. Congress basically is claiming that they had certain kind of a coding mechanism that they had used. And based on that coding mechanism, they have identified who these 7 MLAs are. Now, what kind of punishment is being given by the Delhi High Command, we will be keeping a close eye on. But Maharashtra Congress leaders are pushing for disqualification of these 7 Congress MLAs who cross-voted for the Mahayuti.